Publius Ovidius Naso, Metamorphoseon Liber Primus, episode 28. Non dum praecipites cingebant apida facessi, non tubidae recti, non iris cornua flexi, non Galliae, non ensis erat sine militis usu, mollia se curai peragebant otia gentes. As Ovid continues describing the Golden Age, he says, not yet were steep praecipites, steep ditches surrounding towns. Foci is the subject, feminine, plural, and nominative. It's being modified by this third declension adjective, praecipites, which is the same gender, number, and case. The verb is cingebant, of course, which is the third conjugation, cingo, cingere, and here it's third plural, imperfect indicative active. So the whole line then, steep ditches were not yet surrounding the towns. This would be for defense. There was not yet a tuba. This is a battle trumpet. There was not yet a tuba de recti iris of straight bronze. There was not yet the cornua, the coronet, of bent or curved bronze. There was not yet helmets, non Galliae. We'd have to supply with this something like sunt or erant. There were not yet. Erant obviously better. There were not yet helmets. There was not yet a sword, an ensis. So we have here a very simple sentence. Tuba, cornua, Galliae, and ensis, these are all nominatives. But of course they are different genders and numbers. Tuba is feminine singular. Cornua is neuter plural. Horns. Galliae is feminine plural. And ensis is masculine singular. So we see a great deal of variety here in the forms that Ovid chooses. Each one is the subject either of erat or of some other implicit verb like erant in the third plural. And then here a kind of summary. Sine militis isu, without the usu, without the use, the help, the aid, the employment of a soldier, we might say guard. So without any guard or without the employment of a guard, the securai gentes, this is feminine plural and nominative, it's the subject, gens, gentes, third declension noun. The nations were securely living out or carrying out their mollia otia, that is, their gentle peacetime or their gentle leisure. The object otia is neuter plural and accusative. It's a second declension noun. I'll write it over here, otium, ote, second declension neuter. It's modified by mollia, which is a third declension adjective, same gender number case. Securai obviously modifies gentes. Peragebant is from per agere, third declension, third conjugation verb. Per agere, a compound of per and agere. It's third plural imperfect indicative active. Notice that although securai is an adjective modifying gentes, I have translated it as an adverb, which is a standard practice for adjectives in the nominative case. And what about the word order in this line? It's rather interesting. Mollia we can label A. Securai, A, since they're both adjectives, and then otia, B, and gentes, B. So A1, A2, then B1, the adjective that corresponds to it, or the noun that corresponds to that adjective, and B2, the noun that corresponds to that adjective. Now this representation is by part of speech, but we can show the relationship in this interesting line in another way by modification. So mollia, A, securai, B, otia, A, and gentes, B, because mollia modifies otia, securai modifies gentes. And of course, to break up the symmetry, we have right in the middle, peragebant, the verb. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the lesson, please press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment.